Okay. So now you are clear, right, Bindu? This int size, how to declare the array, how to call the array, and how to initialize the array, right? Hello, hello, Bindu. Okay, so now you understood that array size, right? Array. It's a
Yeah.
kind of
Uh, uh,
homogeneous data.
yeah.
Homogeneous data. That means that
Okay.
you can store only one kind of data type, right? Whether it is a
Yeah. Screen
integer.
sharing like is gone, sir.
I only
Okay.
remove
Stopped.
that
Okay.
because okay. So now you are able to see, right?
Yeah. Now I'm able to see.
So here you are able to store only homogeneous data,
Oh,
right?
okay. Okay.
So this is a string. This is a string, correct?
Okay. Yeah. String.
So only one kind of data only you can able to store it in the arrays concept, right? When
Okay.
it
Yes,
comes
sir.
to the collections concept, you can able to
Okay.
store
Okay. So no,
collect,
like we can modify however we want in collections.
yeah, in collection
Okay.
things, you can able to store both homogeneous and heterogeneous data. That means
Okay.
that
Okay.
you can create multiple values also. Either you can able to store price, string, yeah, values, whatever you want. Okay.
Okay.
Homo
Okay.
means multiple homogeneous and hetero. That means that heterogeneous values. Okay. Say as simple as that. See here now I have stored as a string, right? Now I am going to
Yeah.
store a1 dot add. I will make it as a size 32. Okay. See now we can
Okay.
store this.
Okay.
So this one is AL, right? AL. This is not A1, AL. Okay.
AL. Okay.
See
Okay.
now we have stored both homogeneous and heterogeneous, right? Now I can make it
Yeah.
a add. Um, Maybe I can use the rating. You have the 3.7, right? Rating double
Yeah.
or float, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So similarly, I can use the brand name, right? AL dot add uh, Samsung.
Okay.
So these all are the different data types, right? Here this is a string,
Yeah.
right? This is a integer, right? And when it comes
Yes.
to this is a float, right? Or double.
Yeah.
And again, this
Right.
is a product name string,
String.
right?
Yeah. But like if we were using variable names, it was like meaningful. But in this case, it will be confusing, no, sir. Like name, I mean, Srinath is name,
Yes, what
size is
is confu
32.
that is the concept of array. This one, right? Object collection, a group of individual objects. We can go with here. AL is a object reference, right?
Yeah,
So with the help
it's
of
a
now, yeah, if I want to call see, this is a for our understanding purpose, I am saying here. But
okay,
when you are going to have an EMP, then you can make it here as a EMP. Okay.
okay, okay,
Then you can make it employee name. Okay. Here you can use Srinath, and here ID is 12, and
Okay.
if you want to use salary, you can use like this. And if you want to use any
Okay.
location, you can go with location like this,
Okay.
right?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. See, because we are
Okay.
using the different format, that's the reason why. This is employee, right? We are going to add it here. See here, this
Yeah.
we can make it as a duplicate also. It will allow duplicate also. Suppose if I'll create one more copy here, it is going to allow
Okay.
without having any
Okay.
uh,
Issues. Okay.
things, right? So it will
Yeah.
call two times. Now how to call this? Now system dot out dot
Outdoor.
println. I can go with EMP, right? Okay.
Okay.
So that's it. Now if I run this, I will get values of this. See,
Okay.
what is the confusion here? So you are just
No.
printing the values, right?
Okay. Even if we put if we print size, it'll give the whole array. Is it?
Yes, yes, that is what.
Okay.
See, earlier here you have printed the array size, right? 32, 42,
Yeah.
46. So you can simply you can use the same thing here also. What you can do here, just to go
I
with
mean, yeah. Like we were just retrieving with size of 0, size of 1, size of
that's it.
2.
Size,
Instead of that, okay.
yeah, size is equal to new array.
Uh, No, no, not like that. Now, like what I'm trying to ask is like in line number 8, I think.
Hmm.
8. We have declared a int size. So here, the size also we can just call like system.out.println, and in brackets we can give size, and will it print the whole array like it did for EMP?
No, no, that won't
It
be
won't be.
considered because here you have to mention that size, right?
Yeah, size. Okay,
Because
we have to make.
you
Okay,
have to mention on which index it is,
okay.
because on which place that index it is there, right? Otherwise, this is a
That's
default
there's
index, default value it will print. Okay. See,
okay.
here you are not printing
Yeah,
any, you are not specifying any index value.
yeah,
Otherwise,
yeah,
how are
yeah.
we
Got
going
it,
to,
sir. Yeah.
how the system is going to assume, which is up to
Okay.
what extent we are going to print the values, right?
Yeah, yeah. Got it, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So now if you can go with this in this array list also, you can use the same employee dot add, you can add those values and then print it out. Say now I have added, right? Now I
Okay.
want to include one more
Yeah.
value, or I want to delete one value with the help of, suppose I want to delete this 44,000. Okay. How I can do that?
Okay.
How I can do that? We have a
Maybe
method
one method,
called,
delete method is there in this
no, no,
arrays.
not
Okay.
delete, not delete method, emp dot remove method. Okay.
Okay.
Int index or
Okay.
object array. So whatever we are having. So here
Mm.
going to use the
3, 0, 1, 2, 2. 2 we have to give to remove 4,000.
okay, because here we can use this remove index, or we can use the specific value also. Emp dot
Oh, okay.
uh, remove object. Here we have, right, remove object. So we can use here name as 40,000. Okay. So now again if I will
But
print this, This time it won't print that 4000.
Okay. Yeah, because it's, I think object means it will remove the entire object, no, sir, EMP.
Yeah, no, that emp dot we can use that. Okay, so if you use that
Okay.
emp dot object get index, okay, emp dot remove int index. Okay, so here we can use remove dot 2. This is what under the 40,000, right? So let us see now. This is okay. Now it is removed
Yeah.
that 40,000,
No.
4,000, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Similarly, if I want to add in between any values, then I can able to add also here emp dot add. Uh, so here I can use, so here I can use this. So now again if I will print this, then I will get the values of list of all the values, right?
Okay. With added, so, that,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. So like this, these all are the methods which all are present under this array list class. So this same thing we can go with like this also, because we have uh, here we are having the different parameters here, right? But
Yeah.
if we want to go with only specific type of data, say I can't go with any other data types. I would go only with string type. Then what you have to do? You have to make it here as a string. You got it
Okay.
right? String. Then apart from that string, no one can able to accept.
Okay.
If you define this is strictly you are
Okay.
saying that boss you don't accept apart from the string value. Okay,
Yeah.
that's
It's like again homogeneous
correct, correct.
array.
So if you want to have the specific thing, then you need to define it here itself. If you don't
Okay.
want to specify, then you can remove that and you can go ahead. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
okay. So similarly here
Okay.
also if I go with only list also, is it going to accept this one? List is a interface, right?
Yeah, interface.
List
Yes.
is an interface,
Uh,
and
no,
here class is shown.
it should be the other. It should be array list emp is equals to new
Hmm.
list, I think. Yeah.
No, basically here I have given class name also list. That's the reason why we can't able to use that list
Okay.
because list is an interface, right? So you can use
Yeah.
list
Yeah.
emp is equal to new array list also, because array list is a under list only, right? Array list is a concept under the list
Yeah.
interface, right? Suppose
Yeah.
if I will go with here list, what I will do, I will rename this. Okay. So now if I'll use this, okay, list is an interface. Okay, import list java.util package, right? Earlier we have imported the
Okay.
array list, right? So now we are going to
Yeah.
import list. So this is also
Okay.
this is a parent, right?
Yeah. Parent.
Array list is a child, because array
Child.
list
Okay.
is a implementation classes under the list interface, right? So that is why here. So either way,
Okay.
now what all are the methods also present under list method? By default, this array list also can able to. That means this is holding the employee details. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So this is one thing. Similarly, we have a linked list also, same concept only. So
Okay.
just you can use the linked list here. I'm going to use linked list LL is equal to new linked list.
Okay. Here also importing we have to.
Yeah, same thing. You need to import the
Okay.
values, right? Import
Yeah.
java.util package, all those present under the sims. So now I can able to add the objects here also. LL dot
Yes.
add object. Okay.
Okay.
So you can use here also uh,
Mm.
whatever we can want, we can use. This is LL
Okay.
dot add.
String. Okay.
Yeah, here we can use any data type, right?
Yeah.
Okay, here we can use like bindu. Okay, and similarly, if I want to print the here also we once you put this LL dot, right, you can see
Yeah.
the which all are the methods present under this particular linked list.
Yes.
You have boolean whether it is
Yeah.
a true or false linked list, and index object e add first. Okay, so this is nothing but add
Okay.
first object. This is under the linked list, right? Say if
Okay.
we use this, right, it will add the first value. Say for
Okay.
example, now what is going to happen here? If I call this, it will print the 32 and bindu, right?
Yeah.
Say for example here,
LL.
if I call this, it will print
It
32 and bindu,
32. Yeah. It
one
should.
after another, right?
Yeah.
See, now we have a method called LL dot add first. Where is that? This one, first object, right?
Yeah. At first. Yeah.
What is the meaning of this? It will append to your first object. That means 32 before it will print the value. Say for
Okay.
example
Okay. Got it.
here, if I'll use here as a, if I use this employee, right, object. So which
Okay.
all are the elements present under this employee? It is going to add all
Okay.
the data here. Okay.
Yeah.
But here for time being, what I will do, I will use here as a Sri. So this
Okay.
will append to your 32 comma bin.
First.
So
Yeah.
that
So
means,
Shri 32 bindu like
yeah,
that you
yeah,
can.
your output is like this Sri
Shri
32 comma bindu, right?
bindu. Okay. Okay.
This is your output. Okay. And there
Okay.
is a one more method called LL dot last add last index, last this one.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Say for
Whatever
example,
comes after. Yeah.
correct. So now here I am going to take it as a EMP. This is an object,
Okay.
right? It
Yeah.
will add the values. Now tell me which all are the values comes under here.
So Shri 32 bindu and then Srinath 12 TPT and
Yeah.
that's
Yes.
again.
So it will print all these values over there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Which all are present under the list. Okay.
EMP. Yeah.
Hmm. So now I need to call that, right? System dot
Yeah.
out dot println, right? So
Yeah.
here I am going to use as a LL. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. So now if I will
Okay.
call this, okay. Again, this is an object, right? So it
Oh,
will be,
it's again.
yeah,
Okay.
you got it right.
Yeah, I see.
Okay. See, this is nothing
Okay.
but a linked list. So have you seen any these kind of methods? First and last methods under this array list? Under this array list, have you
No,
observed that emp
I don't
dot
know.
add? See, we don't have any that methods here, right?
Yeah.
Add, we don't have any such kind of first add, right? Whereas in the linked list,
Yes.
we have those methods, right? So when we are
Okay.
practicing, right, let's have a look into this. Which all are the methods present
Methods.
under that particular interfaces or array list concept and all. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
See,
Okay.
now here, these duplicates are going to be allowed. You are going to see the strictly, and order is preserved also. Whatever the
Yeah.
order we have, in the same order only, it is going to be print the values, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So this is list and this linked list and array list. We have some more concepts are there. First, we'll go with basics of all these concept. Then we'll go with within this we have some kind of queue is there, sorted set is there. Those we'll see. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
now you have this concept linked list and this array list. Now
Okay.
we have a concept called set also we have discussed, right? Set.
Yeah, set hash
Yeah.
set and I don't know
Yeah.
some one
What is
more
the
set.
purpose of HashSet? So the only thing is the duplicates are not allowed and order
Allowed. Yeah.
not
It's
preserved.
random.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now how to do that? Now I'm having a method called HashSet.
Okay.
HashSet HS is equal to new
New
hash
hash set.
set. Okay.
Okay.
So okay. Now here we are going to use this. We
Okay.
have to import this also, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Java.util
Yeah.
package. Okay. So what is the
Okay.
purpose of this? Duplicates are not allowed and
Allowed.
order
And
is not
what?
preserved. Say for
Yeah.
example, here we have TPT, right? TPT, TPT is
Yeah.
a duplicate, right? So now let's copy the same values here also. Let's
Okay.
in
Change the
just if I
uh,
am
object
having,
name.
so here I am going to keep it as EMP1. Okay.
Okay.
And now here I'm going to use 1.
Okay.
Okay. So now what I'm
Okay.
going to print, I'm going to print this value.
Okay. EMP1.
So now here we can see these all are the values, right? Now if I'll print
Yeah.
this, see, is there any order is preserved here?
No.
No, right?
Random order. Yeah.
Random only. See, and duplicates are printing here. We have
Removed.
TPT, but here it print only once, right?
Yes,
That
sir.
means that we are here, the order is not preserved as discussed and duplicates are not allowed. Okay. Only once only it will print this
Okay.
TPT,
Okay.
right? Out of this 51 and
Yeah.
52 lines. And this is the order is not preserved. So Srinath is the first place, but 4000 is third place. But here it is showing in a first place, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
And this is second and what 12 is a second is printing in the end of that place, right?
Yeah.
So that is the only like these three concepts are main important, list and set. Okay, and just practice it today so that you will have
Okay.
some kind of idea. I think you might little bit confused in the early session, but now I hope you might have more clarity when we have the hands-on on this.
Yes, sir. It is clear now. Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
you just practice it once. If you have any queries, right, we will discuss it tomorrow and we will proceed for
Okay.
the upcoming
Okay.
chapter. Okay. So
Okay, sir. What time can we take tomorrow class, sir?
tomorrow you can ping me anytime. Okay. Just 1 hour before you ping me, I will connect because
Okay.
however
Okay.
I am taking
Anytime is fine.
yeah,
Only,
I'm
only
taking
you
off
said.
only
Yeah.
tomorrow. I'm taking off
Okay.
only
Okay.
tomorrow. So
Okay.
you can ping me whenever if you have free time. So
Okay.
we'll connect in after half an hour or 1 hour. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, even if you can tell me before 30 minutes or 15 minutes, also fine. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
I will confirm you.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will share you this same once done this, right? I will share both
Okay.
the videos. You just go
Okay.
through it once, then you can practice it. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Bindu. Fine.
Yeah.